Hey, my cookies! Today we are going to make some jazzed up corn. Here in Louisiana, we call it Maque Choux, and it is bound to be your new favorite way to serve corn. So, let's cook. Of course, we're going to need some corn. Fresh is better. If you can't get your hands onto some fresh corn, no problem. Just use the frozen kind. I'm not about to shook this joint, so I'm going to place these in the microwave for 8 minutes. When you take it off, be very careful. Hold on to it with a towel or something that's really hot and cut off the ends. And then I like to give it a little squeeze at the top and then shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it out until it slips right on out and out of frame. But it's all good because it's silk free and ready to go. Look at that, easy breezy. Right now, grab a knife and slice off those kernels from the cob, but do not throw that thing away because you see that's some milk left on that corn that we're going to use later. That's the good stuff where the flavor is. So hold on to that, put it aside, and you have your glorious corn. But we're not going to use that just yet, so let it just chill there and be all golden and delicious. Now grab your cast iron skillet, and I'm using sausage because I'm not a bacon fan. I know. Anyway, we're going to saute out the sausage until it releases those nice drippings, like that. Then take it out, set that aside, add in some butter. I used too much. But can you really have too much butter? Yeah, your clogged arteries will say so, but it's all good. Add in some finely diced onion and red and green bell pepper, and we're going to saute that around for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to add in that corn, the star of the show. Give that a stir for about 3 minutes. Let it fry a little tiny bit. And now we can break those cobs out again and go ahead and just kind of scrape off that good milk from the corn. Add that in there. And now we can add the sausage back into the party. Stir it up really, really well, like so. Here I'm adding in some chicken broth. And to that, this is the star right here. You got to get the crab boil, the garlic and onion kind, because it adds so much flavor. It's going to make the corn taste like you used the corn on the cob from a crawfish boil and some cream style corn, and it's homemade. Boom. Give that a stir. And while we're waiting on that chicken stock to reduce, we're going to go ahead and add in some seasoning. I'm just going to add some onion powder and garlic powder because I forgot to add in the garlic at the beginning of this dish. It's all good. Add that in there, give it a stir, and we're going to allow that liquid to reduce. So it's going to take like 8 to 10 minutes for it to reduce, and it will look like this. You see, once you stir it around, you can see the bottom of the pan. That's how you know that it has reduced. Now we can add in our heavy cream because, of course, we're making cream style corn. At this point, you can add in your Cajun or Creole seasoning to taste and a little bit of sugar. This is optional. I like sweet corn. If you don't, just leave it out. Don't be in my comment section having a hissy fit because I use some doggone sugar in my corn. If you don't like it, just leave it out, honey. Now we just want to stir it and allow it to simmer on low until it gets nice, thick, and creamy. Go ahead and turn that heat off. Sprinkle in some green onion for some freshness and a little bit of flavor. And cookies, get ready to enjoy your new favorite corn side dish, Maque Choux. If you would like my version, click that link in the description box for the full printable recipe. Thank you guys so very much for watching. As always, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this and leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this dish. I gotta eat, so until next time, be blessed.